Hi folks, Matt Smith with Smith Sales Company Auctioneers. Here we have this 1984 GMC dump truck. Real low mileage on this truck. It's a BLM truck. It runs really nice. It has an 8.2 fuel pincher in it. Easy to drive. It's an automatic. You just drop it in gear and she goes. Now we did have the hoist up and down on it. Everything works just right on the hoist. Now this truck has an 11-foot bed, which makes it easy to get in and out of tight places. Air brakes. You can see it's set up to pull a trailer. Has the pintle hook in the air gate. All right, folks, if you're in the market for a nice tight truck, it sells in May. It's located here in Miles City, Montana. Thanks for looking.